Hello, I'm William from Wenzhou Qicheng Trading Company. Our company specializes in producing paper cup, paper bowl, and paper leader machine. If you want a high quality and affordable paper cup machine, I would recommend our OC12 Pro medium speed paper cup machine.
OC12 Pro production speed is 90 to 100 PCs per minute. Can make 3160's hot or cold cup very well. This machine is controlled by PLC and HMI control system. Easy operate, fault, auto stop, and easy solution. OC12 Pro uses ultrasonic for cup side sealing, which is fast and stable. The entire cup process is monitored by 11 photoelectric sensors. Any fault auto stop. Seal the bottom of the cup with 3 heating programs. Avoid leakage risk. Finally, curling the cup top complete the production of paper cups. Automatic paper cup collector automatically collects cups, saving manpower. Machine have remote controller, easy control and adjustment.
Above are my introduction of our OC12 Pro medium speed paper cup machine. The machine parts come with a 1-year warranty and a lifetime after sales service. Please trust that our machine and service will satisfy you. If you are interested in our machine, please feel free to contact with me.